Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learning by Solving Problem, Session 3 on NMR, Structure Elucidation of Organic Molecule. Deduce the structure of C4H6O4. Given proton NMR and carbon 13 NMR. From the molecular formula, the unsaturation number C plus 1 minus half monovalent element minus the number of trivalent element. So we have 4 carbons plus 1 makes 5 plus minus half 6 protons monovalent. So 5 minus 3 equal to unsaturation is equal to 2. So we have 1 triple bond or 2 double bonds or 1 double bond, 1 ring or 2 rings. This is a proton NMR recorded at 250.13 megahertz in D2O, deuterated water. Well, we have one signal at delta 2.39 parts per million. This means that we have highly symmetrical molecule. We can say how many protons because we are not comparing it to any other peak. That's the only peak appeared in the proton NMR. 2.39. Okay. Now we have carbon 13 at 185.20 and another peak at 36.92. The first one indicates that we have carbon from the carboxylic acid family, and we have here sp3 carbons adjacent to C double bond O. So we'll go to assign this. I will say we have CH3 C double bond OO. 2 pieces of this fragment will give us this peroxide. Doing the calculation, this CH3 in carbon 13 should appear in 19.2 parts per million. Ours is 36.92. That's far away. Again, the carbon 13 185.20, here is 168. Again, far away. This means that this structure is wrong. Well, another postulation, it's methyl ester. 2 pieces together will give this ethyl oxalate. According to the calculation, again, this should be 51. Ours showed at 36.9. That's again far away. Carbonyl here in 157.7, and it should be nearby 185. That's the observed value. So, and the proton NMR showed this CH3 protons at 3.6 calculated, the observed 2.39. So, which means that this is again wrong structure. Well, we thought about the carboxylic acid. Since we are performing the proton NMR or the NMR in deuterated water, means that the carboxylic acid CH will be protonated, so it will not show up in the NMR, proton NMR. Well, 2 pieces together will give us succinic acid. Calculated value in proton NMR 2.59 the observed 2.39 close. Carbon 13 for this one 31.4, 36.9, and the carbonyl C double bond O is at 185. It shows here at 176 calculated value. This is the closest structure. Remember that this will be in the original compound hydrogens. Simply, this is the structure. See you next session.